Hey everybody, so right here I have two new freight cars which are Intermountain. These are the brand new Intermountain coil cars. As you can see, these are the Evans Coil Cars. These are brand new release from Intermountain, and we have two schemes here. So first scheme I have is the NS Black, and the other one's the NS Protect 2, which is in the gray scheme. And I know these are one of the most popular schemes, because as you know, they are getting really hard to find and they're selling out very fast. But I was lucky that I got these two that just arrived today. So we're going to be taking a review on these brand new coil cars from Intermountain. So we're going to unbox the Protect 2 scheme. So let's see how it does. So just it comes in this style of packaging. Nice. And then you just gotta lift the tab off here. And there is the coil car itself. So what you might want to do is probably might want to lift it out like this, because you don't want to damage some of the details. And there it is. Got out of the car. Let's place on the tracks. Alright, now that we got the coil car out of the box, let's go with some details. So the hoods have really nice detail with the railing and on, and it's got the brake wheels. It's got the metal KDs, because that's what Intermountain usually install on their freight cars and locomotives, on their rolling stock. It's got the see-through, it looks like see-through steps, and look at all this detail wire. And here's the other side. Detail work looks really nice on this one. I'll show you. I'll turn it on around. Lots of great detail work on these. And the underframe looks very nice done. As you can see. Yeah. It's a really nice freight car. And let's see. And if you remove the hoods off, see if you can. If you can, you can remove the hoods off these coil cars as well. But however, you gotta be very gentle and have some patience when you want to remove them, and put coil loads in them. Because you can see, this is where coil is usually loaded. Here, I'll get the other one off. Yeah. Same this side. This detail looks really nice done too. So after all, I think this is a really nice freight car to add to your rolling stock update. For those this is perfect for any modern era layouts. So I'm really glad with this freight car. And hopefully I might get more of these in some time. I'm not really sure, but they look really nice. I would love to. Great job, Intermountain, and hope you guys enjoyed the video and the review. And I'll see you next time. Bye.